I lost 2 pounds on that hot walk looking for a Thai massage place, and there's one right here across the street from the hotel. What you doing, man? What we got going on over here? Oh, we got snails.
นั่นบอกว่าจะใส่เท้ามันไม่สวยว่าจะใส่เท้านี่ของกินฝรั่งจะใส่เท้าต้องใส่มือซี่นะชี
Ma's got a bucket full of snails that she's very protective over. I'm not going to get close to her when she got that net. What you doing? What are you doing? Huh? 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 Oh, coffee tastes good this morning. Be a nice cool day today. Travel day for me. Heading over to Udon today. 2 nights. Got some big ones in here. More snails. Snails aren't too bad. I could eat the snails. What you doing, boy? Huh? Hmm? Oh, well, we'll let Matt be. So Dad's out here with his slingshot and ammo. I don't know what he's going to be shooting. Always good to have. We used to go around and shoot doves on the wire when we were elementary school with the wrist rockets. Matt's hard at it. Ah, more fish.
นี่จะไปไหน นี่จะไปไหนเที่ยวไหน
Anno! He's running around here with a fish in his mouth. I think Mag gave him a fish. He's happy as a clam. I don't know where he went. I think he went that away. What you doing, boy? Anyway, quiet morning around here. Pooey's doing laundry. I'm drinking coffee, catching up on my YouTube videos. Starting to slowly pack for this afternoon. Head into Udon, get a haircut. What? I see Anno, I don't see the fish. What are you doing, Annos? Huh? All right.
YouTuber. Hello. ยูทูบเบอร์วันนี้ท่านเป็นยูทูบเบอร์นะเอาหายแล้ว หายแล้ว yes.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you today? Tony here at the Royal Creek Golf Resort. I came into Udon yesterday afternoon, and I didn't really do much. Didn't do any filming, I don't think. Oh, I think a little bit of the bargirl video, bargirl cam. I got in early and went and got a haircut. Went, checked into the hotel, went across the street over at the Full Throttle, had a couple cocktails, and then went back to my room and took a nap. Yeah, felt good. And then got up, took a shower, and went over to the Smile bar and restaurant. Took a grab over there and had a pretty good dinner. It's going to be nice when Kong Siam is back up and running again. I guess they're still doing a remodel on that place. So that's my number one go-to. But Smile is okay. They got a really nice band there. If you haven't seen it, they got that Ladyboy singer. I using that term kind of loosely, but boy, what a voice. That person is blessed with just a wonderful voice. So it was enjoyable listening to the music there. If you haven't been there, I'd suggest you go check it out. Came back to the hotel, and after took a grab back to the hotel and didn't do anything. Just chilled, man. Plugged my laptop into the TV, watched some YouTube videos, and went to sleep. Here I am, bright and early. Probably about 45 minutes early. The legend Chuck should be rolling in soon. He had an epic week last week here. One of his top scores, I think. He had a really good round. Me is about average. But today is another day, another chance to break 90. I'm going to give it all I've got. There they are. They showed up. Hi, Mama Dog. How are you, sweetheart? Huh? That's Mama. I think that's Daddy. Mama's kind of a bitch. I shouldn't have put those piles of food so close together because I got to spread them out a little farther. She wouldn't even let this one get in there, so I poured in another pile over here. I think we're missing one. We're missing a brown one. Oh well. That brown one with the white, he's kind of shy. Well, I got food left here. I'll take on the car. I see him out on the course. I'll give him some food. And I've been pretty fortunate the last few rounds I've played. When I do hit a fairway bunker like this, the lay has been where I can hit it with a fairway wood. In this case, I'm going to use my 3 hybrid. Head it down that way. Let's see how this turns out. Pulled it a little. It's okay. It got me down the fairway. Laying 2 pin high on the 10th hole here, par 4. Sometimes luck just isn't on my side. Anyway, I'm going to chip it on the green. Y'all can watch this catastrophe about ready to happen. No, not enough. That's going to be a long par putt. Oh, that was horrible.
ตั้งไปนู่นเหรอ
ไม่หนูไม่ได้ตั้งใจ
What
ตัด
happened?
เองแค่มองอยู่เอ๊ะทำไมแกแย่คัตเตอร์ไปนู่นวะ
That was embarrassing. Oh! Chuck shooting darts.
พูดลาย
Good putt.
Bogey. Hey everyone. Well, another fabulous day finishing up over here at Royal Creek. Well, fabulous for like Chuck. He had a banner day. Me, not so much. But, I did have my moments. I'll do better tomorrow. I'm going to head up to Nong right now, I think. Maybe play Nong in the morning. Yeah, I'm kind of on the edge about that. We'll see how I feel when I get up there. May just come back down here again and play tomorrow. Anyway, I got a booking up there in Nong so I'm going to drive on up, check it out. I haven't been up to Nong in a month or so. So that's it, okay? So I'm here at Nong I just parked my truck, was sitting in here getting ready to go inside and check in. And I got a call from Chuck. So he's in Udon playing golf this week. So he says, hey, I got openings, let's play golf tomorrow. And I'm like, what's your tee time? He said 10 a.m. I said, okay, I'll be there. So I was on the fence about either playing here or driving back down and playing anyhow. I've got a booking here tonight, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to stay here tonight. Go get some Vietnamese food on the river, maybe have a beer or two, and then just drive down and meet Chuck and the gang down at Royal Creek for our tea time in the morning. So that kind of pushed me off the fence, so I'm looking forward to that. So that's my plan for today and tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. So I've got a little time before dinner. Not quite tired enough to take a nap, so went up to the room, checked in, went up to the room, had a quick shower, and I thought I'd come here across the street from the hotel to Thai massage and get my feet worked on. It's been a few days since I've had a foot massage. So it reminds me of when I was here one time. I think it was last year. It was real hot. And I left the hotel here and I went walking down looking for a massage place to get a foot massage, and I went down almost to the river and I went over a couple blocks and then back up a couple blocks, and then I turned around, made a big circle out in the heat, and I'm like sweating and stuff, and it wasn't a very pleasurable walk for me. Just too freaking hot outside. And I came back to the hotel, and then I looked down this way, just past the entrance of the hotel, and I saw these businesses here, and I walked down, and there was the Thai massage place is right here. I was like, oh man. So I went and I lost 2 pounds on that hot walk looking for a Thai massage place, and there's one right here across the street from the hotel. Anyway, you know, we all have our moments, I guess.
Hey, hi, hi guys. My hi. How are you today?
Not me.
แฮปพูอินบาร์พูดเลยนะบาร์น้องคายเหรอ
Yeah.
Yes บาร์น้องคาย have very beautiful number one Thailand เอายูทำไมมันดับอ่ะ
It's okay. So,
นัดสิ
name a bar.
name
Name bar.
name ยังไงบาร์เลยสิยังก่อน
Fat bar?
แพทบาร์ name แพทบาร์เอ้าเว้ยทำไมเอาคำบอกไอ้นัดสิโอเค very hot Thailand vegetable and spear Thai fit for fit พ่อพายาข้าวเหนียวเห็นมั้ยก็เห็นกูมันมืดข้าวเหนียวand chicken and พัพยา see you welcome to Thailand นะแล้วต้องรับ it's okay very sexy เอาไปก่อนไม่
Oh, you start.
สวัสดีจ้าชื่อเนมนานาจ้า
Next.
สวัสดีจ้าชื่อไนท์ค่ะ Hello ออมจ้า
Hey players, how we doing? Hey, I'm here in Nong. I'm here in the main drag here, you know, the bars and stuff. I'm staying at the White Inn down the street right here. I'm just kind of walking down, kind of bar hopping. It's early because, you know, I'm an early bird. I'm going to get out of here soon. But if you're ever here and, you know, you got a couple hours, you're checking out the bars, you're going out to dinner or whatever, man, check this place out right here. This is a excellent car wash right here. I had my truck done last time I was here, and they do a fantastic job. So I strongly recommend bringing it right here to this gentleman here. He's driving the truck right now. Look at that. That thing is spit shine. But anyway, I just wanted props to these guys for doing an excellent job last time I was here and had my truck washed. It's right across the street from the Relax Bar. And there's the green zone right there. If that pleases you, you go over there and forget about things for a minute.
ต้องจับทางไหนวะ
Just pass it around, let everybody.
ฮัลโหล มันเป็นวิดีโอ
ฮัลโหลสวัสดีค่ะ
Still go.
วันนี้หน้า
What's happening, players? Yeah, I'm back at Royal Creek. I went up to Nong, just stayed the night, turned around, and came back down here. Our favorite Chuck invited me to join him in golf today, so I just took the hour drive, came back down here. I will golf 18 with Chuck and John, and then head on home back to the Queen. I got a new caddy today. I reminded her that the lower the score, the higher the tip. So we'll see how that goes.
สงกรานต์
Hang on.
เอาคืนเหรอ โอ้ยเพีย
Caddy's pouring ice water down their shirts. Oh, he's gonna soak his hat. Here we go. Told you Chuck was here. We just did that par 3 over there, all 3 of us, boom, 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 landed on the green on our drives like we knew what we were doing.
While they're under the tree.
That's usually where my drive ends up. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, perfect.
ขอบคุณค่ะ โอ้ยแรงไปแล้ว
Leave that. Leave it, May. Leave it.
เป็นเอาเงินนี่หนิเป็นยังไงจะดีค่ะไม่รู้
Number 1.
อุ้ยสวยมาโอเควันลงไว้วัน
That's good putt. It's good putt. That's good. I might win it. All right.
Thank you.
Good putt.
แม่หุ่นวันเลย โอ้ลายโอ้โอ้
I think Noi got it.
ไอ้ติ้งน้อยปอก็ติ้งน้อย
That's it, for now.
No, take the.
อย่าไหน
Roadside durian stand. Let's get some durian from Ma. That'll make her happy. So the cap? Oh, it's a 5, huh? Yeah. There you go. Okay. All right.
Thank you so
Cap and cap.
ค่ะ
Got a special place for durian in my truck. Oh, let's see what Matt says about About the durian. Hello, man. How are you?
หากันเล่นไปเห็นอยากทำงาน
Yeah.
เด็ดโดด
Here, got something for you. Right here.
อะไรล่ะ
You want?
อะไรโอ้โหซื้อทุเรียนมาให้
Huh?
ให้จิ้ว
You're welcome.
โอ้โห
You miss me?
อีซิมิ
A hug?
โอ้โหจักบาทละตัวนี้เอาห้อง
I know. Hey, buddy.
200โอ้คือไหนละร้อยทุเรียนดีดีละตัวนี้
It's okay? It's okay? Okay.